Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto tracking on the Marine Traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you just click to the icon at the upper left corner and tap to the my position option, the fifth, and here you can find the auto tracking. Actually, I don't use that, but if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be you can use your location. Actually, I don't want that, but if you want to turn on, click to the next white circle, and that's it. So easy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.